How to use cam scanner to scan the documents. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the cam scanner application to scan the documents. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open our WhatsApp to get the file that I want to scan. Let me select this photo, and if I want to scan this photo, all I have to do is to long press on this photo and now tap on the share button. And now you have to open this file into the cam scanner, and after that you can see that you will get access to the cam scanner app. Now you have to crop this image from there and you have to tap right here on the next option, and this file will be scanned. So you can see that this is scanning my picture. So this is how I can easily scan something in cam scanner application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.